Hi, this is Ivy again, and then today I'm going to show you a video on how to pull the information from Florida Massage and put it on CE Broker. So the next course would be the aromatherapy course, which is a 6-hour course, and it'd be found under my account and my courses, and you should have access to it. Let's see, here it is, and view course. I've already done the learning objectives for the course. So I'm going to sign into CE Broker and just show you a couple things about this. Go to courses and then manage course. And let's see here. So I can't, my little recorder, sorry, just sits right in front of my button for a new page. And add. And so for this one, you can just go ahead, you can toggle through the course over here, or you can go through each page and mark it as complete, and it'll take you to the next page. So for this course, we'll start on the title of the page would be Essential Oils and Massage. So there's the title and the information, and if you could put any links or anything if they don't copy over, and again just remove the spacing. I don't think there's any headers on this page, but if there's headers or bolds, if you could put those in, and then go ahead and add new page. Like I said, you can mark as complete or the next page after the one we are on. Which one are we on? Essential Oils and Massage would be patch tests and warnings. So let's see how this page goes. And copy. And paste. I'm going to get the title. Bring that up here. So then, if you can just do like an H2, and then instructions would be, looks like an H2. I know it's not perfect, but go through that and do that on each page. Once you get to the actual essential oils, let's see if I can move this down here. I tried to copy and paste one of those over earlier, which it starts here at bergamot when you do that. CE Broker doesn't have the ability for me to put in, that I'm able to see at least, a grid. There's no back end work, which is kind of frustrating. But so let's say for this one, you copy in the information, and the name of this oil is bergamot. And then you'd have to go here, like a colon between this, and then the Latin name needs to be italicized. And then go ahead, and it comes from the plant part, the peel, and then bold. Yeah, what did I do there? Okay, and then bold. And so that would go for all 15 essential oils. So that's an example of how I like the essential oil profiles to go, which it starts at bergamot and then it would end at rosemary. Like I said, if you could put in the hyperlinks, if there's any going from over there, there is going to be, like I said, some italicized things with the names of the oil. Like I said, here's links, here's bolds. If you can make it just as close as possible, I understand and not everything's going to translate over to CE Broker's platform, but the more you could do to make it similar, the better. I'll go through it at the end and just kind of look it over and see how it looks. But if you have any questions, feel free to let me know at any time. Thanks.